Welcome to part 2 of the Getting Started tutorial. In this tutorial, we will present the full device management capabilities available across all devices. On the Devices page within the Device Management console, you can see all of the devices you have created within Signage OS. You can filter the devices by organization, system, model, status, or just full text search. To the right, you can see the system icon for all devices so you know which device type to look for when editing. For this video, we will open Tizen Box, which is originally intended for Samsung video walls. On this page, you will see the main device management functions. The most important thing to remember is that all of the management functions are available through the API. Each and every function can be controlled remotely from your server through the API for all of your device types. So here is the name of the device, Tizen Box. The device type and connection status. As you scroll down, there is basic information for identifying the device, like which application and firmware version is currently running on the device, and network interfaces for network identification, then model and serial number. Also, there is a security pin option for locking the device settings, the current time and time zone. Here, another interesting function is the device battery status. If the device has a battery, from here you can detect the current battery level and whether it is charging. This is especially useful if you are using battery-based tablets. Next is the storage status for the device, where you can see how much space is left on the device internally and in connected removable storage devices. Starting on the bottom right side is information about the server connection. Above that, we have some basic power actions like refreshing the applet content, reloading saved data, restarting the application, rebooting the device, and display power options. If you click the middle tab labeled Content, you can see the assigned applet on the left. On the right, if you click Stream Screenshots, you will see a live stream screenshots directly from the content playing on the device. When you click the Settings tab on the right side, you can view and set almost every function for the device. You can change the version of the application running on the device, or remotely lock the device so no one can adjust the settings. Also, there is remote debugging for the device, and orientation and resolution options. You can also change the time zone for the device, and the device will automatically update for seasonal time changes. The volume and the brightness of the display can be adjusted from here. And the next module is the native timer setting, where you can set when the device displays will turn on and off and on which days. Next are the proprietary timers. The proprietary timers allow for the system on chip or media player to remain on in order to manage your content at any time, even when the display itself is off. Next is basic connection status information to assist in monitoring the device. Lastly is device testing. You can automate tests on the device to detect display performance at any given time. And that is it. All of these functions are available through the API, so you can manage them remotely through your interface or in the Signage OS box.